Okay guys, another target looks pretty promising here. I'll show you what it's sounding like. We found some shallow gold here, and hopefully this is another one. Normally the hot rocks go with the first scrape, and I've already scraped, so let's see how we go. Whatever it is, I think we're pretty close. See, it's either a bit of metal or a small nugget near the surface there, but either way, we want the still be in the hole if we can. Would be nice. That's what we want. Beautiful. That's what I want to hear. Detector's quite noisy when I put it on the ground. Anyway, doing the one-handed camera work again. Sorry for that, guys. Probably a bit annoying to watch, but we'll get there eventually. All right. The longer it's in the hole, the better. Let's see how we go. Very happy with that. That's exactly what we want. Flies are very friendly. Of course, it could be a bullet or something like that. We know that. But if we weren't optimists, we wouldn't be gold prospectors. Okay, she's out now. Sits in the pile. Bottom of that pile somewhere, I suggest, so flatten that out. Alrighty, somewhere in there. Target's in the shovel. Still there. Alright, so somewhere in here we want to see that little flash of gold. Oh, I think I see it. Or maybe not. Bit of wishful thinking on my part, I think. Oh no, it's rubbish. Is it that? Oh no, no. Tell a lie. I think it's a bit of gold. It is too. Clean her up. Yeah, nice little bit. Made a big, there you go. Nice little piece. About 0.3. Morning all, beautiful morning on the goldfields here, absolutely perfect. So we're just getting ready for the day. Quick camp cooking tip. One thing we like to do is get the old camp oven out, a bit of baking paper in there, and what I've basically done is just put the leftovers from last night's roast, all the veggies and a bit of meat cut up and all that. Bit of egg, bit of milk, mix it up, and really makes a nice frittata. So I'm going to whack her in there and make a little frittata for breakfast. So there she is, the cut up roast and a bit of egg, bit of milk. Fancied it up with a bit of tomato on top. So let's whack her on the fire and see how she goes. So the trick with a frittata is not to use too many coals on the bottom, otherwise she burns pretty easy. So just a few coals on the bottom, not too much. More on top really. Grab the old camp oven, sit her on top of there, and just whack a few coals on top. Go. Oh, bit of smoke. There we go. We'll let her sit. Usually takes about 25 minutes, something like that, depending on how hot the coals are. We'll have a look at it when it's ready.
know what those planets are?
Getting ready for the day. There's the old man. 85 years young, still going strong. Frittata's ready. It's not going to win any prizes for the best looking dish, but it tastes a treat. I'm going to get into that and then get into some detecting. Hopefully find some gold, more gold today. Been pretty light on for the gold so far, so hopefully today's a bit better. Morning everyone, got a target here I thought I'd show you just in case. It's survived the first scrape, so I don't think it's one of the many hot rocks that we're finding here at the moment. So let's have a listen. It's pretty close to the surface, whatever it is. It's definitely a bit of metal, gold or metal. Let's see how we go. Fingers crossed. Ooh, I'm pretty hopeful now. It's about the depth we've been getting an inch or two in this gravel. And I reckon this will be a nice little 0.3, 0.4. Beautiful. That's what we want to hear. Beautiful day out here today. Temperature's perfect. Low 20s. Flies are still pretty friendly though. Oh, this is good. This is good. I'm liking it. Be the first one for the day if it is a bit of gold, so that'll be a good start. Oh, she's out. Okay, let's have a look. There. Hopefully you can see that all right. Oh, there she is. It's a nice one. A very nice one. Beauty. Not far from where I found that one yesterday afternoon, probably about 10 metres. Have a look at that little one. About 0.6, 0.7 I reckon. Absolute little ripper. That's a really good start to the day. Part of the fun, did a tyre coming down this track looking for a new spot. Wasn't paying attention and caught a rock on the side of the track there and did the sidewall. Try and plug it just to get home, but I won't be driving on it. That'll need replacing, but we'll see if we can plug it to get home or get back to camp. Otherwise I'll change her out.